Alright, so let's say that you want to staple some pages together, right? But oh, your stapler is really small. It can't fit, you know, like can't fit to the, you know. So here's what you do. Take an eraser, put it down. You put your folded booklet of all your pages. So you put it down on the eraser. Make sure you have your stapler out. And then staple, flip over, and then take the eraser off. So you have staple right there. And then take a pencil with an eraser and push the staples down. And you have that. So when you're done, you'll have a stapled book. Stapled book.